Hello friends, welcome to PHP video tutorials series. In this video tutorial, I would like to discuss how to connect to MySQL server in PHP. To connect to MySQL server in PHP, we take help of MySQLi underscore connect function. The first parameter is the host name, second parameter is username, third parameter is password guys. I launch WAMP server here. I launch WAMP server. In the system tray, you can see we have W icon which indicates WAMP server. Host name is localhost. Our MySQL server host name is localhost. That is what we pass here. And the username, you see, if I click on MySQL console, username is root guys. Enter a valid username, it is telling. Username is root. That is what I have entered here. I say OK. And it is asking password. There is no password. I hit enter. Now we are in the MySQL server guys. So what we do here, to MySQLi underscore connect, we pass the host name, that is localhost, username root, and password empty. This function tries to connect to the server and it tells whether the connection is successful or not. If connection is not successful, we display a message to the user saying connection failed, and we also display the error, and then we say exit. If connection successful, we display message saying connection successful to the user guys. Now what I do, I go to WAMP server and then I say www directory. So www directory, inside that we put our PHP files guys. So I say here notepad. In the notepad I say less than $PHP greater than. I'm going to increase the font size to 16. So I have written opening PHP tag and closing PHP tag. Inside that I write the code $connection is equal to MySQLi underscore connect. To MySQLi connect, first we pass the host name, that is localhost, and then we pass the username root and the password empty guys. So while installing WAMP server, I installed with the default settings where username is root and password is empty guys. Okay, now what I say here, if not $connection means if connection not happened. Okay, if connection not happened, then we display the message saying echo connection failed colon comma. We use the function called MySQLi underscore connect underscore error. So this function tells the reason for the connection failure guys. Here I say BR and then I say exit. The exit indicates no further code should be executed because there is no connection. Else means in case the connection happened, we say echo connection successful. So this is how we write the PHP code to connect to MySQL server guys. I'm going to save this file, save as. I save the file in the C drive WAMP64. In that we have www folder. In the www folder we put this file. I say here default.php, both sides I put double quotations and save. Now we have saved the PHP file in the www directory. You see default.php. Let's execute this. I open the Google Chrome. Here I say localhost. I run the localhost. Okay, you can see the WAMP server is running. In the www directory we have default.php. Now I am trying to execute the default.php code. I hit enter. You see it is telling connection successful. You can see it is telling connection successful. That means our PHP file is able to connect to the MySQL server guys. We got the connection successful. So this is a simple code that you use to connect to MySQL server guys. I suggest you to try this in your computer system. If you have any doubts, please do not hesitate to ask. For this video tutorial, this much is enough guys. In the next video tutorial, we discuss more about working with MySQL server in PHP. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.